Do you know how does rain form? Let's begin. The process of condensation plays an important role in bringing water back to the surface of earth. How does it happen? As we go higher from the surface of the earth, it gets cooler. When the air moves up, it gets cooler and cooler. At sufficient heights, the air becomes so cool that the water vapor present in it condenses to form tiny drops of water called droplets. It is these tiny droplets that remain floating in air and appear to us as clouds. It so happens that many droplets of water come together to form large sized drops of water. Some drops of water become so heavy that they began to fall. These falling water drops are what we call rain. In special conditions, it may also fall as hail or snow. Thus, water in the form of vapor goes into air by evaporation and transpiration forms clouds and then comes back to the ground as rain, hail, or snow. That's all. Hey guys, this is Berlin and you are watching Learn to Remember.